He entered the room and pulled me down on the bed. During a shooting in the state capital when I was returning from a restroom, this actor caught me from behind and kissed. He kissed on my neck from behind. I ran out of the flat. These are some excerpts from the details shared by actors who have alleged verbal, physical, and sexual abuse against prominent actors from the Malayalam film industry. Now, who all have been named so far and what are the claims made by the women against them? Let's find out. Malayalam film director and chairman of the government-run Kerala Chalachitra Academy Ranjith was accused of allegedly misbehaving with an actress in 2009. A prominent actor also alleged that she was raped by the senior artist at young age. Ranjith, a well-known scriptwriter and filmmaker over the last 4 decades, was made the Academy chairman by the CPIM government in 2021. Ranjith has denied the allegations but quit as the chairman of the state-run Kerala Chalachitra Academy. He called me daughter when he first approached me, said the young woman on her initial interaction with prominent Malayalam actor Siddiqui, whom she has accused of raping her in 2016. The woman, also an actor, had first made the allegation in 2019. The woman claimed that she first met Siddiqui online, following which they exchanged messages, and he allegedly promised her a role in an upcoming film if she met him in person. They met in 2016 at a hotel in Kerala's capital, Thiruvananthapuram, where he allegedly asked her if she could make some adjustments for him, she claimed. I was not sure what he really meant at first, she said. Siddiqui then allegedly raped her in the hotel room and masturbated in front of her, she claimed. I was scared for my life, she said. For 3 years after the alleged incident, the woman did not make the matter public. Following the allegations, actor Siddiqui has quit as the General Secretary of the AMMA. Siddiqui did not respond to the allegations while announcing his resignation. The Indian Express separately reached out to Siddiqui, but he was not available for a comment. Now, in another account, one survivor has named 4 prominent actors, including a 2-time CPIM legislator in Kerala Assembly. She accused a prominent actor of having tried to assault her at a hotel during the shooting of Calendar, released in 2009, and Nandikame Ulakam in 2011. He entered the room and pulled me down on the bed, saying that I will have to consider those who have to be considered for getting better chances. Later, I left that place. Before that, while traveling by a car, another actor told me that he would come to my room the next night. He too had knocked at my door during the night, she claimed. She also accused a third actor of misconduct in 2008. During a shooting in the state capital when I was returning from a restroom, this actor caught me from behind and kissed. I pushed him down and ran away. He also invited me to his flat. After I rejected the invitation, there was no issue from his side. Then, on the alleged misbehavior from yet another actor who had been a prominent leader of AMMA, the survivor said in 2013 she had applied for a membership in the association. A person who acted in 3 films is eligible for membership in AMMA. When I called him over the phone regarding filling the application form, he invited me to his flat. While I was filling the application form at his flat, he kissed on my neck from behind. I ran out of the flat. I did not get the membership either, she said. The actor said she was forced to leave the Malayalam film industry and to relocate to Chennai due to the experiences. Now, the actors who have been named have yet to publicly respond to these specific allegations, but one actor had previously said, such revelations will come and I also welcome a probe. For more such detailed stories, keep watching the Indian Express.